Alois Boudry was born August 12, 1851, Ypres, died November 27, 1938, Antwerp. He was a Belgian painter known for his portraits, still lifes and interiors. He studied at the art schools in Ypres and Roeselare and finished at the Royal Academy of Fine Arts, where his teachers were Nicaise and Jozef and Lerius. In 1885, he joined If I Can, an association of visual artists devoted to preserving traditional methods. He participated in the exposition Brussels International 1910, where he won a silver medal. At the outbreak of World War I, he fled to England and established himself as a portraitist. In 1917, he moved to Italy to await the end of the war, then returned to Belgium. Wherever he was, he sought out humble people as the subjects for his paintings. His depictions of the fishermen of Nieuwpoort are especially popular. Many of them can be seen at the National Fishery Museum in Oostduinkerke.